Alright, so guys, yeah, I'm doing another POR15 test, but now I'm just using regular etching primer that you just get from anywhere instead of using the POR15 etching primer. And I'm gonna just see if this stuff is gonna work the same as the POR15 etching primer. So I know, do I gotta buy the $40 a can POR15 etching primer, or can I buy the $10 cans from like AutoZone or Farmer Fleet? So I'll show you how I test this. See if you remember how I do that, guys. Well, this is another test, so I'm gonna be painting up these rotors. Then I'm gonna come in and I'll do the test. All right. Sorry, guys. So on this rotor here, I had used regular etching primer instead of the POR15 etching primer. So this was rusted, guys. Like you see, POR15 that sprayed it with regular etching primer. Now this been on here, this tape been on here for about 3 weeks. So pull off both sides. Now I must say, one little piece came off from right here, but that ain't bad from using just regular etching primer on here. So I've never had nothing peel with using that POR15 etching primer, but for one little bitty spot to come off right there, guys, I say for parts that you're not that concerned about, you don't have to pay $40 for the POR15 etching primer. You can buy a $10 thing, a regular etching primer, $8 to $10. To me, it works just as good, guys, as the POR15 etching primer. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But these got some overspray on it. But anyway, I'm going to take these in, have them turned. But yeah, that works just as good either way, guys. All right.